Let's get started. Fold the paper into half, further fold it and make this triangular shape. Now we're going to draw the shape on the top of it using pen. After this, we're going to cut the design like this. Open it. Look how beautiful this is looking. Here we are going to draw the shape on the top of the red craft paper and create this beautiful design. You can use it for decoration purpose. As you can see, we're going to draw the heart shape, cut the shaded portion and carefully remove the paper. Open it. Look how pretty this is looking. Here we're going to make simple heart shape design. As you can see, we're going to fold the paper and make the triangular shape. Now write number 3. Cut the shaded portion. It's a very simple and easy design. You can also give it a try. How pretty this snake design is looking. Let's learn how you can make it. So we're going to fold this red craft paper, draw the shape of the snake on the top of it using pencil first and then you can highlight it later. Now we're going to cut the unshaded portion and then open the design. Look how pretty this is looking. As you can see, we're going to fold this red craft paper and draw shape of heart on the top of it. We're going to add more design, cut the shaded portion, carefully open it and look how pretty this heart shaped design is looking. Here we're going to fold this red craft paper many times. Now color it red, draw heart shape and then we're going to keep drawing it from the bottom. After this we're going to cut the unshaded portion, carefully remove the paper, open it and look how pretty this flower design is looking. Let's make heart-shaped beautiful design using craft paper. As you can see, we're going to fold the paper and make the triangular shape. Now draw the shape. As you can see, it will turn into heart shape later. Cut it like we're doing here in this video. Open it and your design is ready. Here we're going to make a beautiful design perfect for festive season. As you can see, we're going to fold the paper and then we're going to draw this feather design on the top of it. After this, we're going to cut it carefully. Here you can take a very sharp scissor, cut it from the center and then from the top as well. Similarly, cut the leaves, open the design and look how pretty this is looking. You can use it for festive season. Fold this red craft paper and make this beautiful design. As you can see, fold it in zigzag manner. Now draw the pattern on the top of it using this pen. Now cut the shaded portion. As you can see, it's a very intricate design, so cut it carefully. Now we're going to open the design and look, it is ready. Here we are going to draw this design on the top of it. As you can see, we're going to fold this red craft paper, draw the snake on the top of it and cut it like we're doing here. Look how pretty this design is looking. You can draw the eyes later. Take this red craft paper, fold it into half and again fold it like this. Make this triangular shape and draw the design on the top of it. Now shade it and cut the unshaded portion. Make a small cut at the center as well. Open it. Your design is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.